Hey guys, so over the last several weeks I've been using my table saw a lot and noticing the burn marks get worse as I go. I wasn't really too sure why that was happening, but after some research I'm learning that maybe I should clean the blades, and what was explained to me was when the blade's rotating it gets hot, and because it gets hot the wood dust and the oils from the wood actually clump up and build up on the blade. That causes the blade to start pinching against the fence and the piece of wood that you're cutting. And so the recommendation was to clean them, and we're gonna see if it works. So we're gonna grab some blades and we're gonna go ahead and clean them and see if it helps us not have that occur anymore.
So I'm just gonna grab a bag, lay it on the countertop just to prevent myself from making a mess. Now the blade teeth here, you can see they're not silver, they're actually brownish black. And after I'm done, they're gonna be super clean, and they'll be shiny like stainless steel, like they're supposed to be. Here I used Trend Tool Technology blade and bit cleaner. Just got them off Amazon, relatively cheap, definitely cheaper than a new blade. And then we're just gonna scrub them down, let them sit, scrub them down again, go ahead and wash them off and dry them off in the sink, and we'll go ahead and install.
So here we are with the new and clean blade, well, old blade, but clean. And let's go ahead and throw her in. All right, here I have some yellow pine, and this should burn quite a bit easier than most of the other, somebody can see the ring. There you go. Now this should burn quite a bit easier than most other woods, because it's a soft wood and it's white. And so, let's grab some. And let's take a look at this. There are no burn marks whatsoever. Look at that. And even sliced through what looks to be an 18 gauge nail there. But that's a really cool finish. I think this blade cuts beautifully. So just simply cleaning the blade worked way better than I thought that would actually ever work. So thumbs up to the YouTube person who put that up. But as always, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and I'll put all the details in the comment below. And I appreciate the support. Thank you.